So this is my current ideal suggestion for references. Please tell me what you think. The big idea is to have a bar on the left as well, a bar or a line, just like we have for on the right for the outline. Small design tweaks I would really like to see, but if we have time and if it's not too difficult, I think a notch, a triangular notch, would look better on the right. And I really don't think we should have text buttons. I think it's quite obvious to have a minus button to always mean go back or go smaller. And of course here, if we do this, we're not going to need a references underneath. So we get this nice clean click to move area. So the bar on the right would be roughly the height of the document, as you can see on the left here. And when it's activated, it becomes just a little taller than the content of the table of contents. Now, if you click or mouse over on the left, you get all the references lifted. There's a bar underneath with a closed bottom left, little minus, and the little arrow on the bottom right is detach, which just means we hide the lines because it'll be an opposite arrow, as I'll show you in a minute, to reattach, show the arrows again. So at the top, you can see title and authors of the white document in the middle, because this thing can be moved and therefore people may not remember where it's from. And also you can choose to sort by author, date, and occurrence. That's important because this is how we ideally want to have the citations. We want them to point to where they are in the document, and that can get very, very messy. So that's why it might be nice to be able to sort by occurrence, where they would then have just horizontal lines going to the different sections. So the next idea, as we discussed, is you can take one of these cited references and drag them away, and it'll appear in the same style as our little abstract boxes. It will have an abstract if we have it. We'll show the full citation information, whatever we have. And then cited in is a current way of saying show where it is in the location of the document, and mark is to mark the text. And then we have the minus to close it. And if we have the full document, there's a plus to open it, or maybe the plus can be to open a DOI. Maybe that would need a dialogue. You know, are you sure you want to leave the environment? That's to make sure we have these things here. I don't have a focus in, because focus is kind of when it's in this view, so we need to discuss that. So that's the proposal. Let me just wind back to this one. This is really what I'm talking about. Please tell me what you think about having all the references appear on the side. Thank you.